Dear friends, good evening. I am a nature lover, and when I was at school, I was very much fascinated with the poetry by the great poet William Wordsworth. The name of the poetry is Daffodils. I would like to read the excerpts from this poetry, which I cherish in my bosom as the golden words. And sometimes I go into a dreamy state, seeing 100,000s of daffodils. So I would like to just read the poetry first. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way, they stretched in never-ending line along the margin of a bay. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in sprightly dance. The wave beside them danced, but they outdid the sparkling waves in glee. A poet could not be but gay in such a jocund company. I gazed and gazed, but little thought what wealth the show to me had brought. For oft, when on my couch I lie in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude, and then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. So these are the beautiful rendering of the great poet William Wordsworth. And today, when there is corona effect all over the world, in the evening I went to the Ganges. Maybe for a few minutes I was sitting there. I could feel the quiet energy from the Ganges. My heart was filled with happiness. I felt that, yes, the nature is quiet, and this quietness makes me so happy. I slowly walked on the silver sand and walked towards the mango trees near my home. I went to the first mango tree. I looked at the tree. It was flowering season. It is flowering season. And to my surprise, I could smell the mango flowers. It had the fragrance of honey. Then I walked a little bit further, and there is another tree which always gives small, ripe, sweet mangoes. I smelled the flowers, and again I felt the madhu, the honey. There is a Brahmana in the Brihadaranyaka Upanishad where it is said that everything is honey. So it was like feeling that honeyness in the whole universe. Remembering the poet, I stood there for some time. The breeze came and the aroma, the fragrance entered into my nostrils. I forget myself. I forget about the surroundings. I say to myself, this curfew, this isolation has brought me very close to Mother Nature. Oh, Mother Nature, I am really thankful to you for this experience. And let this experience be part of everybody's life. After a long time, maybe years and years, I am able to smell the mango flower as the way it is. Normally, there are so many vehicles passing. There is pollution in the air. We cannot smell the flowers. But today, when everything is silent, no pollution, we are able to smell. This is the fragrance from the universe saying to us, yes, human beings, you have been running and running, and now it is time also to settle down. Know that there is something bigger which can stop you from doing what you would like to normally do and make you sit at homes. A story which is really happening now. So let us pray that we be in harmony. Let us feel the nature, and all this nature is connected to that one inner nature. Love and devotion to everyone who is listening to this. Let the divinity overflow with bountifulness, love and devotion. Namaste.